This is black pomfret fish cut into slices, and now we're gonna prepare the mixture. 3 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon ajwain, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, all as per your taste. Squeeze 1 large size lemon or 2 small lemons. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix. Add 4 big spoons of oil. Mix this whole thing. And then once the mixture is prepared, spread it on your fish evenly. And once you're done spreading the mixture on the fishes, now leave this in the refrigerator for 2 hours. When the fish is marinating, in the meantime, we will prepare our fire for the barbecue. Once the fire is prepared, put your grill on and then start putting the fishes on it. This looks absolutely amazing. Put some oil or ghee on top of the fish so that it can cook evenly from both sides. Cook each side for 2 minutes. Grill up some vegetables of your own choice. After 2 minutes, flip your fish. This looks amazing from this side. It looks like as if it's cooked very gently. And then after 2 minutes from the other side, now our fish is completely prepared and you can serve it in your own likings, however you like. It feels like as if the restaurant came at our house. I am now gonna taste the fish. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This looks so good and it tastes so good. Like and subscribe for more. Until then, Allah Hafiz.